Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Learn How to Sudoku, where we take a very easy variant Sudoku puzzle and we break it down in detail so that you can learn how to Sudoku. Today's very easy puzzle is called Convicted Blue Droplets by Nicholas Duhale. And here are the rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, which means in every cell in the grid, place a single digit from 1 through 9 such that there are no repeats in any row, column, or designated 9-cell region. We have box borders divide each blue line into segments with the same sum. These are known as region sum lines. And for example, the box borders divides this blue line into segments with equal sum. So these two digits must sum up to the same sum as these two segments. And within a cage, digits must not repeat and they sum to the small number in the top left corner. So in addition to basically these rings, blue rings, essentially are split into two segments by box borders. They are also all in killer cages, where digits must not repeat, and they sum to the small number in the top left corner. So these four digits must sum up to the same sum, these two with these two, and as a total, they must sum up to 18, and they cannot have repeats within the cage. So you could have, as an example, say this could be 3 and 7, and this is 4 and 6, and that would work because this adds up to 20, because 20 is the number in the top left corner, and 3 and 7 add up to 10, and 4 and 6 add up to 10, which is the same sum. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's learn how to Sudoku. Okay, so these are all going to be adding up to the same sum. So this must be 14. This is 10 as a sum. These are 12 as sum, 6 as sum, etc., etc. So these act as like small cages here, but they also have to be different digits. So they cannot be the same pair of digits adding up to the same sum. So the 28s have to add up to 14 on each side, and it must be a combination of 5, 9, and 6, 8. We just don't know which. The 24s must add up to 12 on each side, which is 3, 9, 4, 8, and 5, 7. And these all have to be different digits because of the digits in, well, that means the remaining digits in these rows cannot be 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 because of the sextuplets in the rows, adding up to 12. So they have to be 1, 2, and 6 here. Well, 6 cannot be adding up to 6 with another digit, right? So this cannot be 6 here. It's 1 and 2 as a pair. That leaves a 6 remaining in the column. So in the row, in the rest of row 4. So this is 1 and 2 adding up with 4 and 5 to add up to 6, which both sides have to be, which is 12 divided by 2 is 6. That means this has to be 1 or 2 here. We are guaranteed one of these digits is a 6 here, which means that guarantees that 3 has to be one of these two digits here, right? 3 and 6 add up to 9, which is half of 8. So we know it's 3, with the other one being 7 or 8 to add up to 9. So this is guaranteed to have a 3 there. These also add up to 24. 22 must be either 2, 9, 3, 8, 4, 7, or technically 5, 6, but we can't have 5 and 6 here. Because if this is 5 and 6, that would eliminate both possibilities to add up to 14 here, right? Because you have 5, 9, and 6, 8 as possibilities there. Same with this. If this is 5 and 6, then this would eliminate both possibilities here of adding up to 14. What other possible combinations do we have? 16 is divided by 2 is 8. So we have 1, 7, 2, 6, or 3, 5 here. Okay. This is 4, 5 as a pair, which eliminates 4, 5 in the rest of the row. So this cannot be 4 here, which means this can't be 7 here to add up to 11 with that. To add up to 12 here, again, you have 3, 9, 4, 8, 5, 7. If this is 5 and 9, that would mean this has to be 4 and 8. Right? If this is 5, 9 as a pair, this has to be 4, 8. Same with this. If this is 5, 9, this is 4, 8. So that eliminates 8 in the rest of those rows. So this can't be 8, which means this can't be 3 here. These can't be 8 then, so we have 1, 9, no 2, 8, 3, 7, or 4, 6 are possibilities. What other possible ones do we have? So this adds up to 14. This adds up to 12. We know what each of these add up to. This adds up to 12, this adds up to 11, this adds up to 14, and this adds up to 6. So 12, 11, 12, 14 adds up to 37. Plus 6 adds up to 43. 45, which is the digits 1 through 9, minus 43 is 2. So this digit has to be a 2 here. So this is 2, which makes this 1 and 5. That makes this 2 and 4, because these digits have to be different. This cannot be 1 and 8 here. This can't be 2 and 7 there. 5 eliminates 5 and 9 as a pair, so this is 6, 8 as a pair. That means this can't be 6 and 8. It's 5, 9 as a pair. It also eliminates 5, 7 here as a pair. The 6, 8 pair eliminates 6 and 8 in the rest of the box. So this is 3, 9. That eliminates 3, 9 in the rest of the row and in the rest of the cage. So this can't be 2 and 9. Can't be 3 and 8. It must be 4 and 7 here. So that's 7. This is 4. This cannot be 4 and 6 here. This can't be 4 and 8 here because of 4 in the box. This is 5, 7 as a pair. That eliminates 5, 7 in the rest of the row. So this is 4, 8 as a pair. This 5, 7 pair eliminates 3 and 7, adding up to 10 here. So it's 1 and 9, which eliminates 1, 9 in the rest of the row. So no 3, 9 here, no 4, 8 here. It's 5 and 7. That eliminates 7 and 4 here. No 7 here, no 4 here. This 4, 8 pair eliminates 8 and 3 here. 2 eliminates 2 here, so this must be 9 and 2, adding up to 11. Remaining digit in row 6 is a 3. 5, 9 eliminates 5, 7, and 3, 9 as a pair, so this is 4 and 8. That eliminates 4 and 6 here. It's 3, 7 as a pair here. This can't be 1 and 7 because of the 4, 7 here. The 9 here eliminates 5 and 9. So this is 6 and 8 there. That eliminates 6 and 8 in the rest of the cage. This can't be 5, 7 because of 5, 7 in the rest of the cage. 4, 8 eliminates 4, 8 here. 3, 9 eliminates, well, we already did that. 5 and 9 eliminates 5, 7 as a pair, so this is 4 and 8. That eliminates 4 and 8 in the rest of the row, so this is 3 and 9. That eliminates 3 and 9 here. It's 5 and 7. 2 eliminates 2 and 6 here. This the 6, 8 pair eliminates 8 in the rest of the column, so this is 4. That's 8. Remaining digits in this left central box are 1 and 3. That means remaining digits in this right central box are 6 and 8. 3 eliminates 3 here, so it's 9 and 3. This cannot be 3 and 6 adding up together because of 3 in the box, so this is 8 and 1. That leaves us not as 1, that's 2. This can't be 2, it's 6 and 3 there. 6 eliminates 6 here, so it's 8 and 6. 3 eliminates 3 here, so it's 9 and 5. This cannot be 3 and 5, adding up to 8. It's 2 and 6 as a pair. 9 eliminates 9 here, so that's 3 and 9 there. 4 eliminates 4 here, so it's 8 and 4. That leaves the remaining digit in column 4 as a 1. These add up to 11. No 2, 9 here, no 3, 8 here, no 5, 6 here. It's 4, 7 as a pair. That leaves this as a 2. And remaining digits, 1 eliminates 1 here, so that's 9 and 1. To add up to 11 here, we do not have 4, 7 available because of 4, 7 in the cage. No 3, 8, no 2, 9. This must be 5 and 6 here, which eliminates 5 and 6 in the rest of the column. 3 eliminates 3 here, so that's 7 and 3. That leaves the remaining digit here as 7. 8 eliminates 8 here, so it's 6 and 8. 7 eliminates 7 here, so it's 5 and 7. This can't be 3 or 7 here, so this correspondingly cannot be 1 and 5, because this adds up to 8 here. 8 eliminates 8 here, so this is 4, which makes that 8. 5 eliminates 5 here, so it's 1 and 7, adding up to 8. 7 eliminates 7 here, so it's 5 and 7 there. 7 eliminates 7 here, so it's 5 and 7 there. Remaining digit in column 3 is a 3. And then everything else has to be done with normal Sudoku. Remaining digits in this upper central box are 1 and 7. This can't be 7 because of 7 in the row, so that's 1, that's 7 there. Remaining digits in column 5 then have to be 3 and 8. 3 can't be here because of 3 in the row, so that's 8 and 3 there. 7 eliminates 7 here, so it's 4 and 7. Where is 1 in column 9? Can't be here because of 1s in the boxes. Can't be here or here because of 1s in the rows. So 1 has to be there. We don't have any information there. 2s. We don't really have any. We have the remaining digits in row 7 have to be 2 and 6. And this can't be 6 because of the 5, 6 pair in the box. So this must be 2, which makes this 6, which makes that 2. So the 2 remaining in row 9 cannot be here because of 2's in the boxes. Can't be here because of 2 in the column, so 2 has to be there. That gives us 8 2's. We know where the last 2 has to be. It has to be there. 3's. We don't have enough information. 4. We don't really have enough information there either. 5's. We don't really have enough information there to narrow things down. 6's, we do. Column 2, 6 has to be here because 6 can't be here because of 6 in the boxes. So that's 6, which makes this 5, which makes that 6. We don't have enough information in this part, though, to narrow things down. 7, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have all the 7's. 8's. In row 8, 8 can't be here because of 8 in the box, so 8 has to be here, which makes this 6, which makes that 8. So we have all the 8s now. 9. In column 8, 9 can't be here because of 9 in the box, so 9 is there. Remaining digit in row 8 is a 9. And we don't have enough information to narrow things down. Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do know that this has to be a 4 here because there's no other place for it in the box. In column 8, 4 has to be there. That gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 4. So we know where the last 4 is. It's there. 5. In row 9, 5 has to be there. And we don't have enough information to disambiguate. 6s. We have 8 6s, so we know where the last 6 is. It's there. 7, we have all the 7s. 8, we have all the 8s. 9. We don't have enough to disambiguate. Now we have 1 in row 2. 1 can't be any of these digits here because of 1's in the boxes, so 1 has to be there, which makes this 3, which makes that 1, and that's all the 1s. 2's already done. 3's, we have 8 3's. We know where the last 3 has to be. It has to be there. That's 3 in the corner. We celebrate because we're close to solving this. 4... 1, 2, 3. It's all done. 5. In column 9, 5 has to be here, which makes this 9, which makes that 5, and the last digit then is a 9. Congrats! I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, this was fun. It was kind of interesting, actually, how they interacted. But overall, nice little puzzle. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Learn How to Sudoku, and I see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.